Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and we've just done a video on showing you the difference in speed between the solid state and traditional drive, and now I'm going to show you what those drives actually look like. So over here you've got a regular 7200 RPM 3.5 inch drive that would be in a PC, and this is a 2.5 inch drive that you would get in a laptop. These are normally 5400 or 7200 RPM. What that means, inside here there's platters that are spinning 7,200 times per minute. And where that's especially crucial is when you've got a laptop and you're walking around with your laptop on, that hard drive is spinning. Any movement while your laptop is on is going to lead to bad sectors, and that's going to lead to premature failure of that hard drive. Also, we see that a lot in all-in-ones where there's not great ventilation. So you go solid state drive. These two are the same size as a regular 2.5 inch laptop drive, but there's no moving parts. So the blue ones have a 5-year warranty, the green ones are a little bit slower and have a 3-year warranty, but certainly still a lot faster than your regular drive. And then you've got the new technology, which is the M2 SATA, and that will connect directly onto the motherboard. So we're seeing the new motherboards and the new laptops have now got an M2 slot. If your computer's one of those, like the new Dells, even though they're a PC, they've got a M2 slot on the motherboard, we can pop that straight in, get you up and running, and increase your speed.